Our mission statement is to create value in our communities by sustainably extracting minerals to build a brighter world.
We are lucky to have these mineral deposits here in Northeast Florida and Southeast Georgia. They don't occur in other places in the United States. They're here. And with an important resource like this, it's critical that we operate responsibly, that we extract these minerals, but leave a legacy of productive land use when we're done. Unlike other mining operations where much material is dug out and carted away, we dig the sand out, but we only extract the 2% of the minerals that we want, and then all the rest of it, 98% of the sand that we dug up goes right back and fills up the hole. So we don't leave big pits behind us. We save the topsoil and put that back so that we get the native plants resprouting from seeds and roots that are still viable in that topsoil, and that is a huge step forward for reclamation.
We then will monitor that system for a minimum of 5 years to ensure that the hydrological cycles are there, that it will sustain the vegetation that is appropriate for that wetland.
We move tortoises off of the mine site to conservation lands, and this is in collaboration with Georgia Department of Natural Resources and Fish and Wildlife Service, and they're being moved to areas that are protected.
Working with Chemours has been a net positive. We need environmental engineers that have a stewardship concept and not just a let's see how we can save the company money by coming in as minimally as we possibly can. We have a lot of people that may not call themselves environmentalists, but they love to hunt and fish. They don't want damage to their watershed, animal and plant habitat that they depend on.
We attempt to operate responsibly so that we have a positive impact in the communities where we live and work by providing good livelihoods for families, by helping out organizations and community groups, and by having a positive impact on the environment.
Chemours has been great to work with the county. They generate a lot to our tax revenues. They provide a lot of good paying jobs with health insurance. They've been a boost to all the local businesses and restaurants. They've really been a benefit to the county during tough economic times.
They're definitely good for the town. They have definitely created the jobs, and they are typically the model you're looking for in 1, transparency, 2, being able to follow through.
They've gone in and done things in the schools and in the local communities. They've been totally open and transparent in their operations. They brought the environmental community, the financial community, everybody in to see what we do and to help understand how important this is.
I feel like what we do is very beneficial to society. We bring convenience to virtually everything people touch on a daily basis, from automotives to electronics to telecommunications and paints. We bring that convenience to people through building a brighter world through better chemistry.
We are always committed to doing the best we possibly can in our minerals operations, in our chemical production, in our interactions with the communities. And we want to make sure that we're constantly improving so that we do it as best as it can be done.